Hello children. So today we will be learning one very important topic called trigonometric graph. And this topic revolves around this graph which has been shown on the screen. It's a quadrant. Now how you will understand this quadrant? First we will divide this quadrant into two parts. Each quadrant into two parts. Okay. We know that quadrant always starts from 0, 90, 180, 270 and it ends at 360. There is something called as cast. Cast means what? Here is C, here is A, here is S, here is T. C means only cos is positive in this quadrant, rest sine and tan, they all will be negative. Here all are positive. That means sine, cos, tan all are positive. Here only sine is positive. So cos and tan are negative. Here only tan is positive. So cos and sine are negative. Here all are positive. When I say cos 30 is cos theta is equal to 0.4, theta is greater than equal to 0, lesser than equal to 360. First step of this sum is cos inverse 0.4 is equal to what? So on your calculator, you will do cos inverse 0.4. That will give you 66.4. First, you will place 66.4 here, as well as here, as well as here. This is your standard method for all such kind of sums, where you will draw the quadrants like this and place your 66.4 like this. We are concerned over here with cos. It is a positive 0.4. So we want cos positive. So cos will be positive here as well as cos will be positive in this quadrant. So how cos will be positive here? So here at this part, it is positive. So it is basically like this. 0. After that 66.4 is there. And then it is positive here. So here before 360, 66.4 is there. So two values for my theta is 66.4 and 293.6. Next sum. See how I have made the quadrant. It is very important for you all also to make quadrants like this. And inverse 2.5 is equal to 68.2. You will be getting this on your calculator. It is very important to draw quadrants like this. I am concerned with tan. So where tan is positive, it is positive 2.5. So here tan will be positive, here tan will be positive. 68.2 is after 0. So my one value for theta is 0 plus 68.2. It is 68.2. And here 68.2 is positive after 180. So it will be what? 180 plus 68.2. When I do 180 plus 68.2, I will be getting 248.2 degrees. So these are my two values of theta. Here, be very careful. I want sine is equal to negative 0.19. So sine inverse 0.19 is equal to what? It will be 10.95. I want sine negative. So as I want sine negative, where will I get sine negative? Not here because here all are positive. Not here because here cos is positive. Where I will get sine negative, I will be getting here and here. Because here only tan is positive, so sine will be negative. Here only cos is positive, so sine will be negative. Now I will be looking at this quadrants where I will be getting sign negative. So what I will be doing over here, I want sign negative. So what I will be doing, as it is coming after 180, I will be getting sign negative in this manner. My theta will be 180 plus 10.95 because it is 10.95 is coming after 180. And here it is coming before 360. So it will be 360 minus 10.95 because it is coming before 360. So my answer will be 349.05. Asterisk mark is over here. That is a sign x is equal to, I want x. It is not theta over here. Asterisk mark is sin x is negative 0.19. So we will be focusing only on those quadrants where sign will be negative. Another example, 2 cos theta is equal to 1.4. I want only cos theta. I'll take this on another side. So this will be like this. Same thing. Cos inverse 0.7 is what? It will be 45.6. You will make a quadrant like this. You will place your this like this. I want positive cos. So where will I get positive cos? Here and here. 45.6 is after 0. So it will be 0 plus 45.6. So one value for theta is 45.6. Another value for theta is 45.6 is before 360. So it will be 360 minus 45.6. So my another value for theta is this, where 360 minus 45.6. Here I want 4 sine theta minus 3 is equal to 0. So I'll do like this. Correct. So sine inverse 0.75 will be what? It will be 48.6. I want positive 48.6. So I will focus on this quadrant and this quadrant. In this quadrant, all are positive and it is coming after this. So 0 plus 48.6. Here in this quadrant, only sign is positive. So, and it is coming before 180. So 180 minus 48.6. Correct? So theta is 131.4. Tan square theta is equal to 1 over 4. I want only tan theta. So square when goes on another side becomes root. So tan theta is equal to plus minus 1 over 2. So tan inverse 1 over 2 will be what? It will be 26.56. Tan inverse negative 1 over 2 will be what? It will be negative 26.56. I will be focusing on 2 tan inverse. So I will be getting theta for this 2 thetas I will be getting, and for this another 2 thetas I will be getting. First I will be focusing on positive 26.56. As I want tan positive, I will be looking into this and this because I want positive 10. Here it is after 0. So my one value is 26.6. And here this is after 180. So 180 minus 26.6 will be 153.3. In case of negative 26.56, I will be focusing on the quadrants where I will get tan negative. So I will be getting tan negative in this quadrant as well as this quadrant. So here in this quadrant, 26.6 is before 180. So it will be 180 minus 26.6. So it will be, wait, sorry, I'm going somewhere wrong. Just give me a minute. I did this this part wrong. This is wrong, na? See here, it is like this. This part, if you will see where 10 is positive, here 26.6 is coming after 180. So it will be what? 180 plus 26.6. So 180 plus 26.6 is what? 206.6. Now I want negative 26.56 or 26.6. I have rounded it off to one decimal. So it is coming, negative will come here. So 180 minus 26.6 is what? It is 153.3. And here 10 will be negative because here only causes positive. So 10 will be negative here. So this will be 360 minus 26.6. It is 333.3. Classic example, a very good example of getting everything in one sum. We will be going to this question. There is one rule which we know, that sine theta over cos theta is equal to tan theta. So out here, what we will be doing? Sorry, I am so sorry. I will be continuing this video in another video. We will stop over here.